Posta del Norte, regarded as one of Argentina's premier dove hunting experiences. And now, that experience is better than ever. Completely renovated in 2010, Posta del Norte distinguishes itself through private, luxury accommodations, superior personal service, and world-class dining. Oh, and did we mention dove hunting? Located between two of Argentina's most prized dove roosts, hunters are presented with more than 60 of the highest volume dove fields in Cordoba. With a friendly greeting from experienced and eager field staff, your hunting adventure begins. Field lunch here isn't just a lunch. It's a dining event. Delectable meats, artfully prepared, served with fine wine, and a little relaxation, all lead to the next level of hunting adventure. Posta del Norte's friendly staff ensures your memorable experience continues even after the hunt. Guests return to the lodge to find a wonderful evening filled with the very best food, drink, and white glove service. Our famous Gaucho bar serves up some of the finest spirits and wines the world knows, while your personal chef prepares the finest dishes. While Posta del Norte accommodates up to 12 guests, as few as 4 can reserve the entire lodge, making this the perfect place for bringing family and friends together. Also, each of our suites includes a fireplace and private bath. The finest in hunting luxury, superior cuisine, personalized attention, all in a private setting. Posta del Norte in Cordoba, Argentina.